Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete friends on Snapchat. So first of all, before you do anything, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just double check if the Snapchat app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and get right on it. And if it doesn't, just go ahead to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up the Snapchat app. And as you can see right here, this is my interface of the app. Click on your chats right here at the below left corner, and what you're gonna do in order to delete friends, you're gonna choose the friend that you want to delete. All right, so let's say for example I want to choose this one. Okay, so I'm gonna just hold on their name, and what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead into managing a friendship, and you're gonna see right here multiple options. Just go ahead and click remove friend, and as you can see right here, we're gonna confirm that you want to delete this friend, and as you can see, we deleted that friend from my Snapchat. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.